Hey, everyone! Today, we're diving into a fun and quick way to spice up your Instagram stories by adding GIFs. It's super simple and can really make your posts stand out. Ready? Let's get started. First, open up your Instagram app and swipe right from your feed to access the story camera. You can either take a new photo or video, or choose one from your gallery. Once you have your perfect background, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Now, here's where the magic happens. You'll see a bunch of options, but look for the GIF sticker. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a world of animated images. You can browse through trending GIFs or use the search bar to find something specific. Maybe you want a funny reaction, a cute animal, or something seasonal. Once you find the GIF you love, just tap on it to add it to your story. You can resize it by pinching with your fingers, and position it wherever you'd like on the screen. You can also layer multiple GIFs for even more fun. When you're satisfied with your creation, hit that Your Story button at the bottom left, and voila! You've just added a GIF to your Instagram story. Your followers will definitely appreciate the extra flair, and you can express yourself in a whole new way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tips and tricks. See you next time.